Hello everyone, this is Sir Ton and let's get started. The lesson for today is about molar volume. And for today's video, you should be able to calculate the molar volume of any gas at any given temperature and pressure and calculate the other quantity given the molar volume of a gas at any specified temperature and pressure or information from which molar volume may be determined, and either the amount in moles or the volume of a sample of that gas. The molar volume, or MV, of a gas is defined as the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas molecules or particles. Mathematically, we can write this as MV, the molar volume, equals the volume of gas, which is in liters, divided by the number of moles. At room temperature and pressure, or RTP, which is about 25 degrees Celsius in temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 mole of an ideal gas occupies 24 liters of space. This gives us a convenient way to convert between the volume of a gas and the number of moles at room temperature and pressure conditions. On the other hand, we also have standard temperature and pressure, or STP, which is specifically 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. In this case, 1 mole of an ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters of space. This value is commonly used in gas law problems that specify standard temperature and pressure. Let's apply the concept of molar volume to determine the gas volume in sample exercise number 1. A reaction requires 4.21 moles of ethane, C2H6. What volume of pure gas should be used? At standard temperature and pressure, and at 8 degrees Celsius and 0.568 atmosphere, where molar volume is 40.6 liters per mole. We're given with the amount of moles in this problem statement, and volume is wanted. Two different molar volumes are also given, number 1, and the other one is the 24 liters per mole. We know that molar volume is a conversion factor that lets us convert between volume in liters and amount in moles. Now let's solve the problem for part A. This quantity will be our N, and that is 4.21 moles. That is the number of moles of ethane. And also for letter A, it is specified that we are looking for the volume of pure gas at standard temperature and pressure. Therefore, we know that at standard temperature and pressure, the molar volume is 22.4 liters per mole. Again, at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters. And for letter A, we are asked about the volume of the gas needed. Now, to solve this problem, this is 4.21 is going to be our starting value, and 22.4 liters per mole is going to be our conversion factor. So we can write 4.21 moles of ethane multiplied by the conversion factor, which is the molar volume. And since the given unit is mole, therefore that mole will also be in our denominator, which is 1 mole. And the 22.4 liters will be in our numerator. And then we can cancel the mole units and we will end up with the liters as our desired unit or final answer. So 4.21 times 22.4 liters divided by 1 is equal to 94.30 liters. Therefore, at standard temperature and pressure, the volume of pure gas should be used for the reaction is 94.30 liters. On the other hand, for part B, we need to find the volume of pure gas needed at 8 degrees Celsius and 0.568 atmosphere, where molar volume is 40.6 liters per mole. Since for letter B, the reaction is happening at certain conditions, 8 degrees Celsius and 0.568 atmosphere. And the molar volume in these conditions is also given, which is 40.6 liters per mole. And that molar volume will now be our new conversion factor. And again, starting with our initial value, which is 4.21 moles of ethane multiplied by the conversion factor. And again, since we are looking for the volume, thus our desired unit must be in liters. And your denominator will become the mole. Then you will put 40.06 with liters and mole will have one value. Then we can cancel the units. We can cancel this and this. Then we'll have liters as our final answer. So 4.21 times 40.6 divided by 1 is equal to 170.93 liters. Therefore, for conditions in letter B, the volume of pure gas needed for the reaction is 170.93 liters. Now, please pause the video to answer our practice exercise number 1. In summary, molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas, which is mathematically expressed as V over N. The molar volume of any ideal gas at room temperature and pressure, which is 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, is 24 liters per mole. And at standard temperature and pressure, which is 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, is 22.4 liters per mole. Molar volume is mV equals V over N. Once molar volume is determined, it can be used to convert between macroscopic volume of a gas in liters and particulate level number of particles grouped in moles. That's it for now and see you in our next video.